All right, everyone, thanks for checking in. Today I'm going to show you how to install a Tusk Defender UTV Cargo Box on your Polaris RZR XP 4. It's simple to do, so let's get started. We're going to start out at the back of the machine. We need to remove this rear panel. So we're going to remove 7 screws using a T40 Torx bit. And then I've got a bungee cord to help support things so it just doesn't hang by the wires. Next, we need to assemble the mounts for the back of our cargo box. So I've got the 55 millimeter bolt. I'm going to slide a cup washer onto that. Then we have our rubber sleeve. We've got the T-nut on top. I'm just going to thread this to where it lightly touches that rubber sleeve. And then from here, what we need to do, slide this assembly through this mounting location. So the T-nut, you're going to want to have this flush with the top of the plastic back here. So I'm going to take a 13 millimeter socket. I'm going to start tightening the bolt, and these little spikes in the T-nut, they're going to go straight into that rubber. The rubber is going to expand and hold everything secure. So right there, it felt like it got quite a bit tighter all of a sudden. That's about what you want. That's snug inside there and it's not going anywhere. And we'll do the same thing for that other hole. Now we can reinstall the rear panel. Just make sure you don't pinch any wires. Next, we've set our cargo box on a soft blanket so we don't scratch it up. And then just underneath these latches in the back, we've got 2 dimples that need to be drilled out. We're using a 1/2-inch drill bit to do that. So I'm just going to clean up those holes with a razor blade. Now we can set the cargo box into the bed, and the 2 holes we just drilled are going to go over the bolts we just installed. After that, we can install the plane washers and hand knobs onto the studs. Now you do have just a little bit of adjustment with this cargo box, so put the box where you want it, get it centered up, and then tighten down those hand knobs. Now if you have the cage mounted quick release cargo system like us, you're going to want to make sure you remove both pannier boxes before you move on to the next step. The next step is to install the front mounting brackets. Take the eye bolt, install one of the washers onto it. We're going to go through this bracket, and then I've got the rubber sleeve. I'm actually going to go into that mounting location. Just make sure the rubber sleeve doesn't fall through. So I've got my other hand holding that up, and we can go ahead and make our mark on the box. Look down in there and verify the mark is in the correct location. If it is, you can go ahead and drill that out with your 1/2-inch drill bit. Well, it looks like we were a little off, so we need to drill another hole. Just kidding, we're right on the money. You're gonna first start by installing all of the hand knobs. Now go back through and tighten everything down. I'm just using a wrench to hold that eye bolt in place. And that's it for installing the Tusk Defender UTV Cargo Box on your machine. It's really simple to do, and if you need one of these, click the link in the description below. That's going to take you over to our website. We offer free shipping on orders over $75. And if you want to see more helpful content like this, make sure you subscribe to our channel. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Thanks for watching.